When I first started my fitness journey, I made so many mistakes that slowed down my progress. If you're just getting started, listen up because today I am going to share 3 game-changing lessons I wish I knew as a beginner. These tips would have saved me months of frustration, and they'll give you a head start right now. Tip 1. Fundamentals first up. Master the basics. Forget about fancy machines or complicated programs in the beginning. Focus on the 3 pillars of body weight training: push-ups, pull-ups, and squats. These movements build strength in your chest, back, arms, and legs all at once. The key: aim for higher reps with clean form. If you can consistently knock out sets of these, you'll create a rock-solid foundation that makes every other exercise easier. Whether you're training at home or in the gym, these should never leave your routine. Tip 2. Grip strength. Second, don't underestimate grip strength. This is something I completely ignored early on, and it cost me. Your grip is often the first thing to give out during pull-ups, rows, or even deadlifts. If your hands can't hold, your muscles can't work. A simple but powerful way to improve grip is with dead hangs. Just grab a bar and hang as long as possible. Over time, your grip will toughen up and you'll notice huge improvements in your pulling power and overall endurance. Tip 3. Start small with negatives. Finally, don't get discouraged if you can't do the full movement right away. Nobody starts out doing perfect pull-ups or flawless push-ups. The secret is to train the negative portion of the exercise. For example, if you're learning pull-ups, jump up to the top position and slowly lower yourself down under control. That slow descent builds the exact strength you need, step by step, until you can do the full movement. Progress comes faster than you think when you train this way. So there you have it. Build your base with the fundamentals. Train your grip because it's your hidden superpower. Start small with negatives and build strength gradually. Remember, consistency beats perfection. If you stay patient and keep pushing, the results will come. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness tips, and drop a comment telling me which of these 3 lessons you're going to apply first.